Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. Today is another walk through to Whitechapel Market. Whitechapel is definitely full of history, so I just showed you the Whitechapel Art Gallery, and now I am going to Atabali Park, which is part of Bangladeshi history. So it has a Shahid Minar, which is one of our memorials here. This park contains the Shahid Minar, which is the monument for the Bangladeshi community. Whitechapel is part of East London, so it's mainly populated by the Bangladeshi community. There are many local shops available, and not only that, there are also other markets such as the Petticoat Lane Market, Spitalfields Market, and also Roman Road Market nearby. And it's definitely a place for Bengali cuisine. And of course, mashallah, one of the biggest mosques in the whole of Europe. There are many restaurants along the street, as well as places to buy modest wear like abayas. It is Eid al-Adha next week, so I wanted to see how busy it is in Whitechapel. Usually during Eid al-Fitr, it's very, very busy. Literally my favorite fruits. No, they made this diner new.
All of these ones in here, it's just the same as public safety.
I will be coming back here to eat because they sell the best stuff for Adona here.
Si tu as le temps, je t'empêche pas de faire des décisions. Tu l'as même expliqué quand tu es passé les routes, tu es allé la voir.